Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove the camera control to the control center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Control Center. In the Control Center, if you already have the camera control in here, then to remove it, go to the Included Controls section and then tap on the Remove button right next to the camera. Then tap on Remove, and this will remove the camera control from the control center. Otherwise, to add in the camera control to the control center, we go down to the More Controls section and then tap on the Add button right next to the camera title. And that's it. Now we have added the camera control back into the control center right here. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.